Okay everyone, let's talk about One Piece. Okay, now we're gonna search for the candidates for the next Luffy's crew. So here comes Margaret. Okay, let's search it first. One Piece, Margaret. There she is. Okay, the candidate for the next Luffy's crew, Margaret. Okay. Next, we are going to Kinemon. Kinemon, am I right? Kinemon. Am I right? In here. Him. Kinemon. See what he is. Next, we are going to Carrot. Here she is. Carrot. So that's all, and thank you for watching. See you on my next video.